Amahoro Stadium in Kigali. This is the biggest stadium around here. Another interesting place is BK Arena. Wow, this is so beautiful. That's another stadium. What is the name of this center? What is the name of here? Guys, it is super cold. I am in convention center area. I don't know if you can see that. I want to find somewhere where I can really watch this place very well. And I remember last year I came here, Kigali Alliance Business Center. I came here and I went up there. So that's why I want to go there today and see if I can manage to, you know, to get a good view of this place. Let me show you. Honestly, I don't think even I need to go up there because it's so visible. That's Radisson. And then this is Convention Center. This is the famous Convention Center. See how it changes the colors. Wow. And this is the other mall. I don't remember what was the name of this other mall or building. Yup, so this is Kigali. And this is this other mall. I was here also. Very interesting. I need to cross the road. There is no need of going up there. I mean, I can go just walk around this side and see what is happening. So I need to cross this road. I know there is a zebra crossing there, but it's really far, so I need to cross. Guys, the road around here is so beautiful. See how it is. And I remember last time this place was not finished. It was under construction, so it was closed. See how it is right now. Wow, and that is the famous convention center. And that is just where I just came from. Wow. Guys, people are just relaxing here. They're seated down. People are doing exercise around here, you know. So we are approaching the convention center. This is exactly where I passed the other time. That's why I'm going by myself. Last time I had a tour guide, but today I am by myself. Yeah, that's Radisson. And this is the convention center field that was really under construction last time. It's finished right now. Yeah, and this is so interesting. Like today I'm walking by myself in the night, and last time I had a tour guide. So interesting. I went to Radisson Blue last time. This is how close I am, convention center. The beauty of Kigali. I've been seeing this one. Last time I did not even come here in the night. So these are the things that I didn't do last time. It feels really so good to do it by myself right now, because I mean, last time I was here with Ali, my tour guide, but it was during the day, during their day. So I went even to convention center. I went inside there. I took some photos last year, but today I'm just passing by because I just wanted to see how this one looks like. Oh my goodness, there is a police officer there, you know, and people are working out here. People are doing exercise. Wow, see how beautiful it is. I can't get over it, honestly. And this is the other side, so beautiful. It's 8 p.m. and this is how it looks like. People are outside, very safe. You don't even need to worry about anything. So I'm just walking a little bit and then I'll take a motorbike to go home. And this is the famous roundabout near Convention Center. I have seen some motorbikes there. Those are the ones I'm going to take one. I remember we went even inside here. Wow, these are really good memories. It feels so good, you know, to walk around here and just remembering where I was last year. What is the name of this center? What is the name of here? Camera. Ah, okay. So guys, I'm just here in Remera, I'm told, and behind me, or just beside it, is Amahoro Stadium. So today I've decided just to walk you around to see what is happening in Kigali in the night. So this is just a walk, and that is the stadium, very famous Amahoro Stadium. So I'll be walking this way and see what is happening in the streets of Kigali. So I'm told this place is called Cementi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. In Cementi Ramera. Yep. It's around 9 p.m. People are still doing businesses. The businesses are still open. You can see the shops are still open. Like that Wheezy Boy is still open. You know, people are just walking around here. And this is the walking path, very clean, whereby I've seen people doing exercise here, running around, you know. So beautiful. I don't know what happened. I wore my sandals. I didn't expect that I will be walking for long, for a long time. But it's okay. I'm not doing like too much. Yep. Oh, this is bicycle lane actually. I should be very careful. And this is just the other side. And let me show you the famous Amahoro. I don't know if it's visible. This is Amahoro Stadium in Kigali. This is the biggest stadium around here. It's not really that visible that much. There is something going on. There is a football going on inside or something. There's a lot of noise. Yesterday there was a big match. Yeah, so this is Amahoro Stadium area. It's called Ramera. So I'm just walking around here. It's almost 9 p.m. by myself. Kigali is safe. Let's see how safe is Kigali in 2026. I was here in 2025. It was very safe, so I believe so. Oh, there is something going on there, honestly. I can hear loud sounds from Amahoro Stadium. Another interesting place is BK Arena. Wow, this is so beautiful. That's another stadium. I remember I came here last year and I took a photo here. We were not allowed to go inside. Yeah, but I took photos here as well. And this is that is just beside the BK Arena. Let me just take a quick video. This is also another big arena, and that is Amahoro Stadium. It's not visible because of lights. Anyway, yeah, so I was just reminding myself, about all these places that I was last year. It feels so good to be back in Kigali, and I didn't go out at night around this area in Kigali last year, I mean. Yeah, so today I was like, let me just because I came from another place, and I'm like, okay, let me just walk around here and see what is happening. So beautiful. I think it's visible here. Here I've seen there is ATM, if you want to withdraw money. There are shops. There's a taxi drop off. There are shops around there, This is our way to Kimironko, by the way. And this is Republic of Rwanda, Egikombi or Ejishombi. I don't even know how to read this one. Let me just show you. I know what that one means. Yeah. And there's a lot of security around this area, I'm telling you. So I think I'm taking a motorbike. I think I will take a motorbike to take me to Kimironko, where I will go home. I stay in Kibagabaga or Chibagabaga. And I'm going to Kimironko. The way they pronounce these names, for me I can say Kibagabaga or Kimironko, K. But for them they